Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today, let us learn about Dashanga Lepa, an Ayurvedic medicine in herbal paste form. It is used for external application to treat herpes wounds, skin diseases, fever and inflammation. Let us see benefits of Dashanga Lepa. It is used in Ayurvedic treatment of fever, headache, skin diseases such as eczema, herpes wound, heat rashes, acne, chickenpox blisters, pain and inflammation in breasts, genital herpes, vaginal infection, etc. It is made into paste along with ghee and applied locally. The name Dashanga derived from two words, Dasha meaning 10 and Anga meaning components. This suggests the number of ingredients in this formula. Dashanga Lepa balances Pitta and Kapha doshas. This medicine should strictly be used under medical supervision. Let us see what are the ingredients of Dashanga Lepa. It contains lebbek tree, licorice, Indian valerian, sandalwood, cardamom, spikenard, turmeric, tree turmeric, Indian costus root and fragrant swamp mallow. Reference from the treatise Bhaishajya Ratnavali says, Shirisha Yashti Natachandanela Mamsi Haridra Dvaya Kushta Valaihi Lepo Dashangaha Sagritaha Prayojyo Visarpa Kushta Jwara Shothahari. Dashanga Lepa combination for arthritis. In case of osteoarthritis, spondylosis or joint pain due to injuries, 5 grams of Dashanga Lepa is mixed with 10 ml of sesame oil. A paste is made and applied over the affected area. Left in the area for 15 to 20 minutes, then washed off. In case of joint stiffness, as in case of rheumatoid arthritis, either a similar paste can be prepared with mustard oil or just water paste is prepared and applied over the painful area and taken off after 20 to 30 minutes. This can be done once or twice a day. Dashanga Lepa for mumps. It is useful in reducing swelling in mumps. Make a paste with water, apply over the swollen area. Wash off after 30 minutes. Do this 2 times a day. Dashanga Lepa is manufactured by Zandu, Hariras, Chirayu, Virgo Products, Ayurveda Cart, etc. There are no known side effects. Very rarely it may cause increased warmth or burning sensation. In such a case, apply it only for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash off with cold water. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.